Have you ever heard of a bridge that connects not just two lands, but the realms of myth and reality? A bridge that has been the subject of debate for centuries? A structure that some say was built by gods and others by nature? Between the southern tip of India and the island of Sri Lanka, submerged just beneath the ocean's surface, lies a structure that has puzzled the world. It's a place where faith and science collide. This is the legendary Ram Setu, also known as Adam's Bridge. Look at this. Stretching over 30 kilometers, this incredible chain of limestone shoals connects Rameswaram in India to Vanara Island in Sri Lanka. From space, it looks almost man-made, a deliberate path carved through the sea. It's an astonishing sight, a scar on the ocean floor that tells a story. But the real mystery isn't just its existence, it's what it's made of. Here's the truly mind-boggling part. Stones found in and around this area, particularly near Rameswaram, actually float on water. Imagine picking up a rock, tossing it into the sea, and watching it bob on the surface like a piece of wood. It defies logic, doesn't it? For millions, the answer isn't in geology books. It's in one of the world's oldest epics. The local people, whose ancestors have lived here for generations, hold a deep and unwavering belief. They will tell you that these are no ordinary stones. They believe these very stones were used by Lord Rama's Vanara Sena, his army of monkey warriors, to build a bridge across the ocean. The purpose? To reach Lanka and rescue his beloved wife, Sita, from the clutches of the demon king Ravana. The ancient epic, the Ramayana, vividly describes how the monkeys, led by Hanuman, worked tirelessly, carrying massive stones. And the reason they floated? The legend says that each stone was inscribed with Lord Rama's name, and his divine grace made them weightless, allowing them to float and form the bridge. It's a story of devotion, courage, and a love that could literally move mountains and make them float. But what does science have to say? Geologists and scientists have, of course, studied these mysterious floating stones. Their explanation is fascinating in its own right. They say the rocks are a type of pumice. Pumice is a volcanic rock that's formed when superheated. Highly pressurized rock is violently ejected from a volcano. Because of the rapid cooling and depressurization, it's filled with countless tiny air bubbles and cavities. This porous structure makes it less dense than water, giving it buoyancy. So, a volcanic event could explain the floating stones. But that answer just opens up more questions. If it was a volcano, why are these pumice stones concentrated so perfectly in this one sacred area? How did they arrange themselves into a near-perfect 30-kilometer-long bridge-like chain connecting two specific points of land? The geological explanation for this specific formation is still heavily debated. There's no single, universally accepted scientific theory that explains the how and why of Ram Setu's linear formation. The debate continues to rage. Was it a natural sandbar that formed over thousands of years?